pitch.
Lightning reflex.
That's a free base.
You got more. Get in there, Deke.
This guy's got real grit.
Let's go, Theo.
Go on, DK. Let's go, one.
You got more.
More!
Nice catch. Hey, not you, Deke. Sorry.
Go,
You got
Pete.
32
Get
more.
yours, kid. Gotta be yours.
You can be choosy. You can be choosy.
Not even looking at you, Manetti. Let's go, kiddo. Take that bag.
Let's go, boys. I think I'm pretty good.
Get off. You got more.
Out of play. Don't worry about
Go lay it up
that. You're
here.
gonna get that ball.
You got it, Q. Yeah, I do have to. I don't have to.
All right,
Let's go, Deke. Bail it up, kid.
Strike him out now. Come on.
Come on, Theo, right here.
Let's go, Pete. Go on, Pete. Second. Get off. 10, 2. Oh.
Let's go, Theo.
There you go,
Good job, Deke.
All four.
No, it ain't that scoreboard. They don't know what they're doing. It's 3-2 now. Yeah.
Cube.
He has a weak ball. People green is like
Come on, one.
Go, Theo.
Good job, Deke.
Come on, kid.
Now to the plate for the Tigers, the shortstop, number 2, Luca Franzaglio.
Let's go. Everybody running. Let's go, boys.
got to cut the guy out.
Inside one to the corner.
Gotta get him out at third base. That's, you can't let him get to third.
Okay. Sorry, one you. One not you. Come on, you got it.
Attack that fastball, Luke.
Come on, bro. Come on, Sam. There you go, Rod.
Go, Theo.
Oh.
Hit and run. That's pretty good, Coach.
Sorry. Go, Theo. You got this, buddy.
Base is loaded.
Come on, Luca.
Come on, Luca. You front.
Ain't there 2 strikes?
20.
Come on, strike him out. Come on, we don't let him advance that runner.
Come on, Theo.
Come on, two.
Try.
That was a good play.
Try.
Go, Theo. I'm down here watching the baseball. Come on, Theo.
There. Yeah. Way to run, kid.
Now to the plate for the Tigers.
Great job, Manetti.
Number 15, Bodie Biggin.
Great job, Manetti.
You got Theo.
Go, Bodie.
Let him get up again. Go, Theo.
Watch the line drives. Come on, boom. Come on,
Nice.
Touch base, boys.
Go, Bodie.
Good job, good job, Bo.
Let's go, Theo.
Attack yours, Bodie. Attack yours.
Theo.
Don't chase his, buddy.
Come on, Theo.
Good job. Oh.
There you go.
They want everything.
Yeah.
Everything they want.
No, that was
Right.
Come on, Theo.
Get him.
Yeah, we'll take that 3-1. We'll take that freebie. Way to do your job, Bo.
Now to the plate for the Tigers, third baseman number 4, Dominic Santee.
Fastball just on the curve.
Go Dom. Go Dom.
Hey, anything in the outfield, you let's go, guys. Score a couple here. Let's go. Let's go, Dom. Some hard. Hit it gap. Go, Theo. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Dom. Thank you. Come on, Theo.
We got 10 minutes, we got 9.
Oh! Hey, good cut. Good cut.
Go, Theo. Come on, got this.
Theo. Going. Go Theo.
Go, Theo. Go, Theo.
Yeah, I seen him.
Good eye.
Way to do your job out there, D.
Oh, yeah.
Go, Theo.
Go Theo.
Go, Theo. Good eye. That's it. That's it, Theo. That's it.
Not you. Come on.
Not you, Theo.
Yeah, when they play it.
Who cares?
Come on, Theo, one more.
Oh,
Go, Theo. You got
I
this.
don't care if he shows up or not.
All right.
All right, Jake.
Good job, Theo. Let's go. Come on, guys. Put some life. Let's go.
For the Tigers in the top of the 7th, 1 run, 2 hits, no errors, 2 left. After 6.5, score is now Tigers 9, Cardinals 4.
Hey, good post. You just missed it. Just missed it.
You gotta hit the ball.
He probably stood back and he got the ball. That one won't go around.
This guy blew it for us right here. He blew it on that bases loaded. Why would you do that?
I think
Oh, he did. They did that before too. But why do it? Oh yeah, he's the one that caused it. Why do it? I mean, come on, you have the bases loaded. That's kind of stupid. Oh, he had to. If he didn't, then he shouldn't be there.
So I do that? Yeah, I should go there. Yeah, I'm trying to. You know, it is what it is, and it's gonna happen. What's gonna happen is gonna happen.
Yeah, but don't give it to him.
I know. Yeah, that would, you know, the grand scheme would be coming. We probably could have scored 1 or 2 runs out of that.
Right. Exactly.
So.
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
This kid here throws harder than number 12. Yeah.
Go, Joe.
Leading off for the Cardinals here in the bottom of the 7th, the shortstop, number 1, Joey Gabriel.
Go, Joe.
Come on, Joey.
Stay hot, Joe. Come on, Joe. Go, Joey. Yeah, seriously.
Consistent. What the hell was that? Must have been low and inside.
Yeah.
Was it?
Well, but yeah, based on calling the ball, I think.
Right.
Go, Joey.
Take this pitch.
Yeah.
They can throw a strike. I've seen it. There you go.
Come on, Joe. You got this now. Come on, Joe.
Full strength.
Come on, Joe. Come on. Come on, Joe.
Go, Joe.
Oh,
Good hole.
wow.
Yeah, they just talk.
Come on. Go, Joe. Anyway, Joe.
Come on, Joe, win it.
Holy mackerel. All four.
Go, Joe. Up.
Come on.
Now to the plate for the Cardinals, the center fielder, number 7, Zane Jagala.
Come on, Zane. Base step. Let's go, Zane. Base step.
Get out.
Come on, Zane.
Come on, Zane. Come on, Zane. You got this.
Bye. Good block, bud. Good block.
Come on, Zane.
Free and loose.
Come on, Zane.
Ground ball, get 2. Foul!
Air ball.
Go! There, go! Go!
Now to the plate for the Cardinals, the right fielder, number 10, Anthony Groner.
No, that was good.
What did she say? It was foul. Oh.
I'm sending her back. I don't know why I picked her up yesterday. I still love her
Come on, Anthony.
though. Go, AG.
Just get out, boys. Just get out.
Runs don't mean nothing right now.
Put him
Get
on
out.
base. Put him on base.
Yeah.
Let's go, AG. Come on, Anthony. Face that home. Yep. Good hole. Go, AG.
I think he's going to walk.
Come on, Anthony.
See what he's doing? Throwing it out. He, catcher's telling him to throw it outside. If he wants to. Yeah.
Supposed to do that quick. Ooh, back door. Great pitch.
You're good, Anthony. Protect
I
right.
wasn't
You got this.
close enough to call it.
Belly in close, Anthony.
No, that was
Stay in there, bud.
strike.
Yeah.
Come on, Anthony. Good hold, Anthony. Good job. Good job. That's it, Anthony. You're ready.
They're yours, E. Don't give in, kid.
Come on, Anthony.
Ready?
That's it, Anthony. Good job. Way to protect. Way to protect. Good job. Way to protect, Anthony.
I like to see it.
Go easy.
Go in.
Come on, Anthony. Come on, Anthony. Base step, bud. That's fine.
Goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye. That run don't mean nothing.
We're going, Anthony.
That's 7.
All right, Anthony. Way to go,
Oh,
Anthony.
wow, it's 2.
All right, Anthony.
Now going to play for the Cardinals, the left fielder, number 12, Jake Durbridge.
Come on, Jake.
Come on, Jake. Keep going, buddy.
You didn't hit that ball.
Go, Anthony. Let's go, guys. Keep going.
All we need is 2 runs. That's right. Keep getting on base.
You're all right, E.
Stay in there, Jake.
Let's go, Jake. You got this.
See
Keep
it.
going.
See it, Jake.
Come on, Jake.
There you go.
That's it. Nice. Go, Jake. Go, Jake. Stay set. You're good, Jake. You saw it.
It's all right. 1-1.
Then a little from
You didn't like it.
Go, Jake.
Come on, Jake.
Ready, go.
That's it, Jake.
Don't throw it too hard, buddy. Slow it down.
Let's go, Jake.
2-1.
Come on, Jake. Yeah. Come on, Jakey. Good hold.
Hold.
That's it, Jake.
Call it.
You gotta be there. Let's go, Jake.
It was outside.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, come on.
Go, E.
Wasn't outside.
Boy.
All right, Jake, you're ready, buddy. You're ready, buddy.
Juliet.
Not the ones repping. Or umping.
Come on, Jake.
Base hit.
That's it, Jake.
All right. There you go. Better go see your pitcher, buddy.
Go.
Now to the play for the Cardinals, the DH, number 5, Ryan Weibling.
Come on, Ryan. You can put it out too this time. They're bringing another pitcher in, I think.
Way to go, Jake.
Don't steal him, coach. Move on the fastball. Okay, don't take close.
I guess if you say so, I'll have to take my things and go. That's right, hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, hit the road, Jack. Don't you come
Now on the hill for the Tigers, number 18, Sully O'Donnell.
Go, Sully.
Come on, Ryan. All right. Come on, Ryan. You got this.
Now to play for the Cardinals, the DH, number 5, Ryan Weidling.
Come on, Ryan. Base hit, buddy. Murph's on deck. Base hit.
Come on, Ryan. You got this, buddy.
Up, get him out.
Let's go, Ryan. Base hit, bud. Base
Ground
hit.
ball, 2 outs. Let's go.
Let's go.
Nice pitch. Huh? That was a nice pitch. Come on, Ryan. Base hit. You've seen it, now hit it.
Let's go, Ryan. Come on, Ryan. Good hold, Ryan. Good hold. Let's go, Ryan. Let's go, Ryan. Good hold, good hold. That's it, Ryan. That's it. Let's go, Ryan. Let's go, Ryan. Come on, Ryan.
That's fair.
Fair, fair, fair.
Ooh, dang it. Well, he might have
Play,
caught
Ryan.
it.
Good play.
He might have
You got
caught
this.
it. Yeah.
Come on, Ryan.
Got this, Ryan. Swing through, Ryan.
Let's see what
I like that you see him hit between left and center. Nice.
I like the ball.
Yeah, that'd be better yet. We're over.
But we'll take a trick. Come on, Ryan.
That's all right. You hit the ball nice.
The first baseman, number 15, David.
Come on, Murph.
Ground ball, good hit. Good hit. All right, Dave.
Give me two nice plays.
Let's go, David.
Turn it now, guys. Let's go.
Yeah, it was. He did a nice job.
Come on, Murph. That's it. Come on, David. Come on, Dave.
Hey, be ready on that left side. Let's go. They're turning on him.
I think Murph's about due.
Yeah, no,
I know, but I'm talking about something over there. Yeah.
Let's go, David. Keep it going, buddy. Come on.
There you go.
There
Third baseman, number 17, Logan Batellis.
Come on.
Come on, Logan.
Come on, Logan.
Come on, Logan. Come on, Logan. Let's go, Logan. Good hold, Logan. Come on, Logan.
That sun's going down pretty fast.
Let's go, Logan.
Yeah, it is.
Good hold, Logan.
Finish. Come down the line. Let's go.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, Logan. go, Lo.
Are you okay?
All right, you didn't want it.
Okay, yours. Not yours.
Go, Sully.
If you don't want to swing, let's go, Sully.
Come on, Logan. Come on, Logan. That's Logan. Nice ball. There we go.
Come on, Logan.
One more, Sully, let's go.
You smart, Aiden.
I throw the same pitch myself.
Good block.
Good block. Stop, Logan.
3-2. Now, if it's there, you got to hit it.
You got this, Lo. You got this, Logan.
Keep working back there. Let's go.
No free pass, go after him, Sully.
Let's go, Lo. Come on, Logan.
Go. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Oh, he threw an elbow. Hey.
Pull it, man.
No. Did you see him hit him in the head?
He didn't hit him in the head.
I'll play it back. Show me. I'll play it back to you. He should be
If he
thrown
did,
out.
then he should be out.
He should be thrown out.
You're right. If he did it,
That's bull.
I don't know who threw the.
There we go, Tigers. Wait, take it to him.
Final here today in Philadelphia Field. The Howland Tigers 9, your Canfield Cardinals 7. For the Tigers, 9 runs, 10 hits, 1 error. For the Cardinals, 7 runs, 12 hits, 2 errors. We thank everyone for their attendance today. The Cardinals return to action tomorrow night, hopefully over at Howland Township Park, face the Howland Tigers.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Oh, was it?
Yeah,
For the Cardinals
he
today,
usually doesn't do that.
No, I know.
Patel is 1 for 2 with an RBI. David Murphy, 2 for 3.
Here we go, Tigers!
It's a game. You can't get frustrated.
Get frustrated.
But you don't do that.
Just lost the Cardinals 4 to 9.